welcome back to my channel. My name is Parisrene, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you my everyday makeup look. This is a look I normally do when I'm just going to have lunch with my girls, or just an everyday look, going to the movies. You know, simple look, not too much, not too hard, not too difficult. It's simple, alright? So anyway, I will be showing you step by step on how I completed this look, and as well as the products I use. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get started. So for this look, we're first going to start off with our Maybelline foundation. This is in color 355 Coconut. So we're just going to take a little, a little drizzle. And we're going to first make little dots on your face just to make sure you get the application everywhere. I love this foundation because this foundation, honestly, it is very transparent, so eventually after I spread it out, it kind of blends into my skin complexion, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So yeah, we're just going to continue. So and apply this foundation everywhere. So once you applied your foundation everywhere, oh my gosh, I look really shiny right now. Now we're going to go in with our HD Concealer, Long Lasting Full Coverage Concealer. I like this concealer. It is a beauty supply store product, so I mean, honestly, it's only like $3 and they work really well. So I just put you on. Anyway, just gonna apply some under the eyes. On the chin, come on, and also on your eyelids. Like I said, I do not wear eyeshadow when I'm doing my everyday makeup look because I like to make it as simple as possible. For once that is done, we're going to go in with our beauty blender, and we're basically just going to blend everything out together. So go in, sis. Blend it out. That is done. We're going to go in with my contouring stick. I honestly forgot what this was called, and I forgot where I got it from. So we're just gonna make little lines right here and right here. And we're also gonna go in and blend that out to basically give my face a little contour, okay? Alright, let's do this. And this, you could actually do it in a circular motion, because I feel like that's the best way to contour your face, because it is a lot easier and it comes out 10 times better than just dabbing it like the contour. I mean, like the concealer. All right. Dab that out. There we go. And as you can see, I have a little light contour on my face. And now what we are going to do is going to go ahead and set the foundation and the concealer in place so you won't be getting that muggy, ugly, look. We're going to go in with our 3D Contour Artist Powder Palette, also by RK by Kiss. And we're going to basically take our brush. This is the BS Small brush, and I don't know what it's called. So we're just going to take this. We're going to take, I like to use these two colors because I like to give myself a more popping look for my everyday makeup look. So we're going to take these two colors right here, and we're just going to go in and set our concealer. Alright, so you see that? Popping, isn't it? I know, sis, I know. I'm gonna go in and finish contouring our face. So I'm going to add some darker colors up here at the ridge, and I'm going to highlight my face some more with my powder palette. So now we're going to go in with the MAC brush 222 SE, and we're going to get a darker shade, which is this one right here, and we're just going to attempt to contour our nose. I don't normally do this step, but I figured why not give it a try. All right, want to try something new or whatever. So So we're just going to go at the outer crease of our nose where you want that contour to start, and just basically go up and down with the shade. Wow. Let's try it again on this side. Go ahead. Honestly, I kind of like this technique. It does give me a different type of look that I don't normally go for, but I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I like to go back in with my powdered brush. I like to go with the color that is normally my skin complexion right here. And I just like to take it and just blend everything. I know that sounds crazy, but that's my technique. So we're gonna go back in and set right here, but then also go in circular motions and just blend it. For the next step, I will be going in with another BS Small highlighter brush. Basically, I'm going to go in and start highlighting my face. And this is called Magic Collection in Glow. And I do love it a lot because it gives you that golden brown look and it blends in really well with my skin complexion. So we're just going to take that. We're just going to get that crease. We're just going to blend that on there. Blend that on there like that. Go ahead and kind of highlight my nose. Start at the top and just come down and get some. Do not blend it into where you contoured your nose because you want to give your nose that straight, structured look. That's a whole lot of highlighter. By the time I'm done, I could be a flashlight, okay? I'm going to go in with my setting spray. I'm just going to set everything together lightly. All right. So allow that to dry. So once you let that dry, now we are going to go in with our LA Colors liquid eyeliner in black. And I'm just going to go in and create my wing. To go in with a regular black eyeliner pencil, and we're going to do our lid line, okay? Okay. Now we're going to go in with our Big Shot Volume Express Maybelline mascara. And don't forget, you also have to do your bottom eyelashes as well. So I did decide to go ahead and apply my lashes and my lipstick off camera, but we are not done with this look. To finish off this look, I'm going to go ahead now and apply some blush, okay? Because you need to be popping, okay? We'll be going in with my Mark Wins International Cosmetics, okay? And I'll be applying this color right here. It is kind of a deep red kind of pastel, I don't know, color or whatever. But I'm just gonna apply it, all right? So right below your highlighter and right above the contour, that's where we're going to be applying this look. And I like to dab it at first because it only makes sense to dab. Alright, so we're just going to be dabbing it. I can't apply too much because when I apply too much, it kind of messes up the whole look. So once we dab it, we're just going to go ahead and just rub it in. Come all the way up. And just blend, blend, blend. Bam. Now we're just going to do the same thing for the other side. Dab it first. And then we're just going to blend, blend, blend. Bam. So now I'm going to go ahead and fix my hair. Because what would it be an everyday makeup look if your hair isn't slayed too? Fix my hair. So now this look is complete. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button down below, comment on this video, and also like and share this video. And that is it. This is my everyday makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well as learning new tips on how to complete your everyday makeup look. Bye.